What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be going to a food truck festival with Perry. Do you wanna wear your raincoat, bud? Do you wanna wear it? Let's go downstairs. So you can't wear Birkenstocks. You want some Birks? All right, out the door. Go. No, not in the bushes. Come on, this way. You ready to go, buddy? Is that what you need? You need a nap? Okay, come on. Come on. Wait, come back. Do you want to go inside? Perry, what food truck do you want? Tell me right now.
That looks really good, but I don't know what it is. That's the problem.
Looks like Fortnite. Fortnite. Why did you get a grilled cheese, Blake? Tell them.
Because it's better than a burger.
Spicy mango chicken something.
Salmon.
And just like that, time to go home. Still raining. Was it fun, buddy? Did you have fun today? Should we go on more adventures together? Yeah, let's do it. Peace out, everyone. From me and Perry, hope you had fun.